I know that many pupils like me are unable to take screenshot in Windows 10. Even though this problem may also occur in Windows 11, right now I'm facing this issue too. So I thought I should record a video so that my friends who are facing this problem can be helped. Before starting the video, I have one request. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. It gives me motivation. Now let's fix this issue. The step number one, you can reset the snapshot. As you can see here right now, it's not popping up anything over here, so I can save my screenshots. So click on the Windows icon, settings, and then you need to find here the privacy, and on the left side you need to find the background applications. Now in the background apps, you can enable the snapshot or snap and sketch application on the background. In my case right now there's no application over here, so what we are gonna do here, we will install it from Microsoft application. For that you can simply open the browser and then you can search for snap and sketch app download and hit enter. Once you search here, you will see here, my bad, is SNIP. Now you can see here install on Windows. Just click on this, it will redirect you on the Microsoft Store. As you can see, a Microsoft Store application will pop up automatically. Now simply you need to click here, get. You can close the background browser now and wait for it to download. That's it, it's done. Just open once and that's it. Now close it. Now you can take snaps. Windows Shift plus S key together and take the snap. Now you can see here. The another reason, if it's not popping up directly on your screen, you can just turn this option off. And now if you take any screenshot, it will pop up on your desktop. Another solution for this, if still it's not working for you, hopefully this will solve your problem, but if it's not working, then the another thing is you can take the screenshot first, and after that if it's not popping up, you can open the paint and paste here, Ctrl V. If this method is also doesn't work for you, you can enable the clipboard. For that, click on the Windows icon, then go into the setting, then system, and in the system you will find here the clipboard on the left side. Once you click on the clipboard, just make sure enable it, and that's all. If you have any other issue, just let me know in the comment section. You can install the Snap and Sketch app from Microsoft to fix this problem. Sometimes for optimization we use bloatware removal tools which can accidentally delete Windows related application. This can cause your snapping tools to not show a pop-up. This is because the file taken by Snap and Sketch are auto set with the app officially. If you don't have the app on your PC, you may face this issue. We hope that today's video will be helpful. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to Windows Fixer for help and guide fixes, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos notification. Lastly, I want to say thank you to all who support me. Love you guys, to be honest. You are true friends and very supportive. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.